Hey guys, so today we are going to solve this problem on GFG, sum of middle elements of two sorted array. This is a medium level problem, and the problem says given two sorted array, array 1 and array 2 of size n each, merge the given arrays and find the sum of two middle elements of the merged array. So we have two array 1 and array 2. Both are of size 5 and both are in sorted order. So we are going to solve this problem using merge sort. Alright, so what we will do is we will initialize an array, temporary array with size length of array 1 and length of array 2, that is 10, and fill the 10 elements with 0, all 10 with 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Alright, now what we will do is we will initialize three arrays, three variables I, j and k, and equal to 0 with 0. So I will be here, j will be here, and k will be here. So now what will happen is we will compare array 1 of I with array 2 of j. The smaller one will be put over here. So 1 is compared with j. So when 1 is smaller, so 1 will be put here. So 1 comes here. And k will be incremented to this place, and I, the smaller one, will get incremented to this place. Now the comparison between 2 and 4 takes place. 2 is smaller, so 2 will be put here, and k will be incremented. Similarly, I will be incremented. Now 4 and 4. 4 is not smaller than 4, so this 4 will be now come here. This 4 will come here. K still got incremented. Now this time j will be incremented. J gets incremented. Now the comparison between 4 and 5. 4 is smaller, 4 comes here, k incremented, I incremented. Now 5 and 6, 5 is smaller, 5 comes here, k incremented, j incremented. 6 and 6, 6 is not smaller than 6, so this will come here, j will get incremented. So in this way, this whole zeros will be converted into the values of array 1 and array 2. So for that, we will write a loop, while loop, while I is less than length of array 1 and j is less than length of array 2. What we have to do? We have to do comparison. If array 1 of I is smaller than array 2 of j, we will put in temp of k, the smaller one, which is array 1 of I. And now we will increment k by 1, I by 1. Else we will put temp of k array 2 of j. Now we will increment k plus plus, j plus plus. So this will put our all elements of I and array 1 and array 2 in temporary. But there is a catch over here. For example, let's say we have an array 1 equals to 4 5 6, 4 5 and 6, and array 2 is of 1 2 3. Now the temp will be like 0 0 0 0 0 0, 6 elements. Now between 1 and 4, 1 is smaller, 1 will be put here. 1 and 2 and 4, 2 is smaller. 2 and 3, 4 and 3, 3 is smaller. So j reaches to the end, and for our this while loop will be get terminated. Now the rest of the elements will be get emptied in this case, in this while loop. So we will what will we do now? We will put the remaining element of the I as it is, 4, 5 and 6. This condition could be reversed. Either our I reaches to the end or j is still in the middle of or in the starting. So we will put from j to the end in the temporary array. For that I will write two while loops. While I is less than array 1 of less than length of array 1, temp of k equals to array 1 of I. Now increment I and k. Similarly, if j is less than length of array 2, temp of k equals to array 2 of j, and increment j plus plus and k plus plus. So these are our steps. First is create a temporary array. Second, initialize ijk with 0. Third, a while loop. Fourth, check if I is not reaches towards the end, then put all the values of array of 1 of I from I to its end to the temp of k, from temp k to end. Similarly with j. Now after this we got our sorted merged array. Now our last step is to find the sum of middle elements. So our temp will somewhat look like this after our step 5. After step 5 our temp will look like this: 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 9, 10, 12. 10 elements with index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the middle elements are 5 and 6, which is here n is 10. So n by 2 minus 1, that is 4, this one, and n by 2 is 5, that is this one. So 5 plus 6 is 11 is our answer. So let me just write it here. Sixth and final step, print temporary length of temp divide by 2 minus 1 plus temp length of temp divided by 2. So this will give index 4, this will give index 5. Index 4 has 5, index 5 has 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. So this is how the logic works. Now let's code it. So to solve this problem I will use Python programming language. So let's begin. I will first initialize the variables I, 0, j, then temporary array I'm going to fill with 0. Now I will run a while loop while I is less than length of array 1 and j is less than length of array 2. If array of I is smaller than array of 2, j. Then I will put in temp of k. I will increment I by 1, k by 1. Else, if this is not the case, then temp of k has array 2 of j. Now I will increment j, then k. While I is less than length of AR1, I will put all the remaining i's to the end of temp of k. Temp of k equals to array of I, increment the I, increment the k. Similarly, if j's are remaining, array 2, then we will put k equals to array of 2j, and we made a mistake over here. It's array of 1, j plus 1, k plus 1. Alright, and last we will return the sum. Temp k length of temp divided by 2 plus temp length of temp divided by 2 minus 1. Let's compile. Yes, we are getting our output correct. Let's submit it.